Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the best grill meat thermometers on the market, the Govee Bluetooth Meat Thermometer. The Govee Bluetooth Meat Thermometer isn't just your average cooking gadget. It's packed with features designed to make your grilling and smoking experience easier and more precise than ever before. Let's start with its Bluetooth capability, allowing you to monitor your meat temperatures remotely via your smartphone. Whether you're grilling, smoking, or using your oven, this thermometer keeps you informed in real time. Never worry about overcooking again. The Govee thermometer sends instant notifications to your phone when your preset temperatures are reached or if there's any deviation, ensuring perfectly cooked meals every time. With an impressive accuracy of plus or minus 1.8 degrees Fahrenheit and IPX7 waterproof rating on its stainless steel probes, this device is not only reliable but also durable enough to withstand the elements of outdoor cooking. Setting up the Govee Bluetooth Meat Thermometer is a breeze. It comes with a strong magnet, a foldable stand, and a handy hook for easy placement anywhere around your grill or smoker. Even in low light conditions, the backlit LCD screen remains easy to read, providing clear visibility of your cooking temperatures day or night. To wrap it up, if you're looking to take your grilling game to the next level, the Govee Bluetooth Meat Thermometer is a must-have. Its smart features, accurate readings, and ease of use make it a standout choice for any grill master. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time on Product Critique.